Now that we have mastered the basics of searching for and placing books on hold at Harbins Elementary School, let's talk about ways in which you can find more information and go in depth about how to find a book that suits your needs. When I go up to the search bar, I'm going to type in the word cat because I'm pretending that I'm looking for something about cats. Now, I notice that the results over here say that we have 200 plus items available for checkout. Now, how do I know if this is appropriate for my needs? I go down here and I find more information about the book for cats. I see that it is published in 2016, has a reading level 1.7, which means grade 1, 7th month of school. I also see Lexile numbers. The higher the numbers, the higher the grade level. Every publisher decides if they are going to put in Lexile numbers, F&P, or reading levels. So if you don't see something there, that is something from the publishers, but it is good information to know. I can scroll down and find a book that is on my level and fits my needs. However, I also have filters available to me on the left side. One of the most important things I like to teach students is to use reading level, which goes back to what grade level you were in. So this is going to second grade. Anything between second and third grade, it will find information for me when I click done. So I'm going from 200 plus books. Once I use the filter, I'm going to go down to 248 books. Now, when it said 200 plus books, that means that we could have had 800 books or 1,000 books on cats. This is being a little more specific about what we were able to find. When I go back over to the filters and I scroll up to the top, I see that it is finding everything reading level 2 to 3. One thing that is important is that I actually X out of this if I want to do a different search. One of the other ways that you can search for books is the F&P level. I know a lot of teachers are talking to you about what your student's F&P level is. There are less books that have an F&P level that is given by the publisher compared to the reading level. So that's why I started with the other first. But you may also go down here and you can find a small reading level range through F&P, or I can make sure that I go to just one letter. So if I know that I'm reading on level L for cats, I will just click on L. It tells me there are 8 results for this. So therefore I know this is exactly on my level. If the book is up here and you see that it says book right here, this little picture has a book, we can put the book on hold. And you scroll down, you find exactly what you need.